Hello guys, flex ko lang ang aking TRINX bike at flex ko rin yung aking hub na SRAM X9 4 volts. Try natin yung sound check and flex ko muna yung aking bike. And guys, try natin. Yun lang naman, budget meal. Ags 9 speed Altos RD with good link na, and Altos shifter na rin para mas comfortable. Yan, weapon 1 by Faber mga budget meal lang guys. Yan is RAM. Yan, try natin sound check nyo guys. Yan yung sound check. Yan, try natin. Yan lang, tunog mahirap lang guys. Mahirap guys. Yan lang guys, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe na rin. Salamat.